will be automatically activated of the ingredients, and the one-to-one system will be conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed to the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm will vary at any given location. More noticeable at greater distances.
Even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working order. To provide the most consistent warning service possible, the warning alarm will only be activated for one selected area. The 11 a.m. observation in Washington. At Reagan National Airport, mostly sunny skies. The temperature was 52 degrees Fahrenheit, or 11 degrees Celsius.
So yeah, my new 2478 went off. It did go off during the tornado drill yesterday. But really, does LWX really ever write down during the shift change that they already ran their tests for the week? Because I'm pretty sure all the other officers do. That just proves to you how lazy they are. Anyway, I was only able to catch this test because I was actually out sick for school today because I don't really feel so good. Like I don't really feel so good, so yeah, took the day, put my mom there so I could take the day off. You know, I gotta go ahead and recover. It just doesn't really feel good. I don't know whatever it is. Hopefully I can get better soon. Anyway, yeah. There's the test. Because LWX here always has amnesia and always gets to write down to the other shifts that they already ran their test, and there's no need to run another one for the week. But LWX is just LWX, so yeah, Frederick County WX.